even though I chase that change.
Hey, what's up, boys and girls? It's your favorite host, Jay Everyday, aka Penny Stock Hardaway, aka OJ Short Selling, aka LeBron Gaines, aka SPAC Miller, RIP Mac. If you're not investing, make sure you hit my links below for a Robinhood or a webull account for free stocks, aka free money. Before we start the show, I need a huge favor. Please smash that like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I noticed 94% of the views are not subbed, and I need you guys helped. Now let's get into the show. Nio. No, not that Nio. No, not that Nio either. We are talking about the Chinese EV car company that's been making a lot of noise on the stock market, boys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jay, Chinese stocks will be delisted. Nah, bro, they have 3 years to be compliant, and I'm not worried one bit about Nio. If an article comes out inciting fear, I will use it to average down. Nio is a hold. And I also know what you're going to say. Jay, Nio just did an offering, and the stock will go down. Well, yes, looking at the chart, Nio was $57 a share at its height when we had that massive EV run. We fell all the way down to 38, and this is where we bought. I'm in at around $40 per share, but that's your entry point because there will be so much news for Nio in 2021, and that'll be a catalyst for the stock price to grow. I'm super bullish on Nio, and I think it will do far better than Tesla in 2021, and here's a few reasons why. Tesla, as you all know, just got included into the S&P 500. These inclusive stocks tend to be extremely stable. While the #1 EV manufacturer will continue to grow, it will no longer achieve massive gains like it used to. Nio will take this title. Mark my word. Nio Day is coming, and the hype will push this stock to new highs. They're said to be releasing 2 new sedans, updates on the battery swapping technology, and talk about market expansion. We all know Nio's expanding to Europe, but I believe they'll be coming to America in 2021. That's going to shoot the stock to the moon. But Jay, you're just some guy on the internet rambling about his love for Nio. Well, don't listen to me. Listen to what the analysts say. They've all said within a year, Nio could double, if not 5x by 2021. Now, with that said, we're looking at a bare minimum of $100 a share, close to $200 a share by December of 2021. Move over Tesla. Nio saves the world. Haven't you seen The Matrix? I hope you guys enjoyed this show. This is Jay Everyday, aka LeBron Gaines, and I'm out.
I know. Hey. Even though I chase that change, nothing gon' change with the day for me. I'm just tryna move a little smarter. Shorty come and give a little brain to me. I'm just tryna work a little harder, tryna keep my head above water. Man, I be swimming in these women, I be sticking to the mission, son. I'm not your father.